Are you worried about the cost of DPF cleaning? Let's explore your options from the most affordable to the most expensive and how to save money without compromising results. DPF cleaning costs vary dramatically depending on the approach. Professional mechanical cleaning typically ranges from £200 to £500, while dealer replacement can cost £1,000 to £2,000 or more, depending on vehicle make and model. These high costs have driven many vehicle owners to seek more affordable alternatives. The cleaning method also affects longevity, as some cheaper chemical solutions provide only temporary relief, while more comprehensive treatments address the root causes of clogging for longer-lasting results. The most cost-effective approach to DPF cleaning begins with high-quality chemical cleaners, which typically cost £20 to £30, depending on the formulation. These products work by reducing the temperature at which accumulated soot and deposits can burn off, thus facilitating a more thorough regeneration. For best results, look for products containing multiple cleaning technologies rather than simple cerium catalysts. These provide more comprehensive treatment that addresses both the symptoms and causes of DPF clogging, potentially saving hundreds of pounds compared to mechanical cleaning. At Power Enhancer, we recommend Oil Syn, DPF and Turbo Doctor or Arch Oil AR6400D Max as cost-effective DPF cleaning solutions. These advanced formulations contain multiple cleaning technologies, not just catalysts, but also detergents that thoroughly clean the fuel system, remove carbon, and improve combustion quality. At a fraction of the cost of mechanical cleaning or replacement, these products have helped thousands of customers restore normal engine performance and eliminate warning lights, providing excellent value compared to workshop services costing hundreds more. For free technical advice and cost-effective particulate filter cleaning products that deliver professional results, visit Power Enhancer, where you'll find solutions we trust for our customers.